Imagine a world where a single piece of paper could decide the fate of entire ships. In the early 1500s, the Portuguese Cartaz system did just that. After capturing key ports, Portugal demanded that all merchant vessels in the Indian Ocean carry a cartaz, an official naval permit. Without it, ships risked being seized or sunk by Portuguese patrols. This bold move let Portugal dominate lucrative spice routes, squeeze rivals, and establish a maritime empire. The Cartaz system not only shaped commerce, but also marked a new era of European influence far from home.